Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to perform a bicycle kick in FC26 so you can start scoring some incredible goals. To begin, you need to get the ball into the air, and the easiest way to do that is by crossing it into your striker. Use a high cross or a flare cross to make sure the ball has enough height. On PlayStation, press L2 plus square, and on Xbox, press LT plus X. Make sure your striker is positioned with their back toward the goal. As the ball comes in, flick it up to set up the overhead kick by pressing the right stick down at the right moment just as the ball gets close to your player. Once the ball pops up into the air, hold L2 on PlayStation or LT on Xbox and press the shoot button to trigger the bicycle kick animation. Timing is key, so practicing this move in skill games or offline matches will really help improve your consistency. And that's it. That's how you perform a bicycle kick in FC26. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tips and tutorials on the channel.